The Apple iPad Air 11 2026 is a powerful upgrade in Apple's mid-range tablet lineup. This year, Apple focused more on performance than design, and that decision clearly shows. The tablet still looks sleek and minimal, but the real magic is inside. With the new M4 chip, this iPad Air feels extremely fast and future-ready. The design remains thin and lightweight, making it very comfortable to hold for long sessions. It is only around 6.1 thick and weighs about 464 grams, which is perfect for portability. The aluminum build gives it a premium feel, and it comes in stylish colors like blue, purple, starlight, and space gray. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display is sharp and vibrant. It has a resolution of 1640 x 2360 with 264 ppi, offering clear visuals for watching videos, browsing, and editing photos. Colors look accurate thanks to P3 wide color and true tone support. However, one downside is that it still uses a 60 Hz refresh rate, which feels a bit outdated in 2026. Performance is where this iPad truly shines. The M4 chip makes it incredibly fast for almost everything. Whether you are editing videos, gaming, multitasking, or using heavy apps, it handles everything smoothly. With 12 GB of RAM, switching between apps feels instant and lag-free. This tablet is clearly built for power users and creators. The camera setup is simple but reliable. It has a 12MP rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide front camera. The front camera is great for video calls and online meetings, especially with Apple's smart framing features. The rear camera can shoot 4K videos, which is useful for quick content creation. Battery life is solid and easily lasts a full day with normal use. It has around a 7606 mAh battery, and thanks to Apple's efficiency, it performs well even under heavy usage. Charging is done via USB-C, which also supports accessories and external displays. Connectivity is another strong point. The 5G model ensures fast internet on the go, and it also supports the latest Wi-Fi standards. Apple has also improved wireless performance, making downloads and streaming faster and more stable. However, there are still some limitations. There is no Face ID, only Touch ID in the power button. There is no headphone jack and storage is not expandable. Also, the display is not OLED, which some users might expect at this price.